Hi, are you an intraday trader and you are confused about the entry and exit, especially when the market opens, you are not clear what exactly needs to be done? Then you are in the right place. Here I come daily live after the pre-open and I'll be telling you as per the GAN calculator where I will be personally taking the buy and sell. So personally, though the bias is on the negative side, I will not be actually doing anything apart from what the calculator is going to say. According to my calculator, it says buy above 18 to 89, okay, and sell below 18 to 81. So this is what is my calculator saying, and I'm more interested on sell side for Nifty. So let's look at what actually it happens. Let me actually put the mark the levels. Let me mark the levels. 281, below 281 only I'll be looking at the sell part. 281, where is 281? Okay, below this is where we will be looking at selling. 280, 289, about 289 is buy. Okay, there will be some buy trade. Okay, so if buy happens, till where it can go, let's look at this. Let's wait at least for the first 5 minutes, and if it is not doing, then it is definitely a sell. So I'll be more interested on the sell side. Let me actually look at this. Let me just wait. Okay, it is actually moving down to 66. So where can I expect this to go? It can be going towards 257, 225. 257 and 225. These are the two levels which is possible. Let's see. 257 is almost done. Then next target is 225, somewhere here. See, many times actually it comes here and rejects. So you have to be very careful, very fast, especially at this case. And since Bank Nifty is not below 43,100, this may not actually give us that kind of a momentum also. So we have to be a little careful. I'll be more interested if we come somewhere around 300 levels and all. Okay, let me 1 second. Let me actually also look at what is happening. I will wait for 920 and then decide. But as of now, it is actually going down. Okay. I am taking a trade on Nifty put. Let me go ahead and take this trade. We have to be a little faster here because the challenge is it can bounce back also. What is the low? 245. So I hardly have 200. Okay, I have to be quick and I have to move out. 225, I will be. $225 is 1 second. Okay, 225, I'll have to move out. Or else it will go up and then again try to go. See, as long it is not going above okay, it is trying to go up. It is trying to go up. So it's better to be on the call side right now. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, it is actually moved above this particular price. So it can go up now. My stop loss got triggered, so I am out of the trade, but I am actually now on the buy side. Just take on the buy side. So the buy side right now, 307 is the level, 307, 343. Let's see. So in this particular time, that is one challenge which is there. 307, if you see, it has come exactly there. You have to be extremely fast here. 343 is too high. But anyway, let me mark it. Okay. Okay, sell side again is there. So I don't have to worry too much. Let me actually do one thing. Okay. I don't have to worry this. Okay, buy side has not got triggered. So sell side only has come, just actually it has went and hit the stop loss and then it is again back, if you see here. So now till 225 is something which is possible. See, the same thing in Bank Nifty is, okay, let me mark the level for, okay, let me write here, sorry. This is the old thing, don't actually look at that because I don't have the time. When I started, it was a little late. So where is the numbers? Let me take this cell below and 1 second. Cell below it is 300, 281. 281. Okay. And buy about 289. Okay, it is on the sell side only, guys. It is on the sell side only. So that is one challenge whenever it is, especially in the first 5 minutes. So you have to be a little careful here. Okay, this is the open price is what? 43, 346. 43, 346. Okay, so 352 and 342, 343. Let me mark it. 352 and 343. Okay, let's look at this. Let me mark these levels. 43, 340. This will come somewhere here, 340 and 352. 1 second. 3. This is 352. Okay, shit. 1 second. Yeah. This is 352 and 343 will be very close by. Yeah, somewhere here. So if you see here, it is still on the sell side only. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty are on the sell side. So don't look at buy, at least in the first half. Second half, probably we can get some bounce back, but right now it is on the sell side only. Okay. Yeah. See, we can probably look at what are the important supports right now. Okay, let us look at what is happening here. Probably it is getting some amount of support. Let's see what is actually giving support. Okay, Nifty is trying again and again to move up a little bit, but fine. Bank Nifty is not supporting. So in fact, Bank Nifty is more weaker. Oh, okay. Nifty is relatively stronger today. Okay, advanced declines. Okay, this is more on the pre-open. Let us see. Okay. Okay, meanwhile, let us look at the broader market also. Okay, broader market is somewhat positive. Okay, let's look at the option chain. Oh, okay. Option chain is coming towards the overbought situation, oversold situation. So I have to be careful at 18,200 levels. I think it is better for me to look at exit. So 225 is possible. So that target should come, quite possible. And there we should probably look at taking an exit. Bank Nifty is relatively weaker. If you look at this, Bank Nifty is relatively weaker. So what are the levels for Bank Nifty? So the first target is 316, 281. Let me mark this 316. Sorry, 316. It was a very small target. This was done. Okay, first target was done. Then the second target was 281. And that was also done. And the third target was 249, which was also done, probably 249. This was also done. 218, 190, 218, 190. This is also done. 163, 149, 163, 149. So I think more or less it has done most of the targets here. 172 is the low which it has made. Okay. So let's wait. See, movement may be quite slow for today. Let us look at what is happening in the order flow also. Okay. Sell side figure is there, but not much. Okay. So today is more of a laggard day. I think again it may try to bounce back. That is what is happening. It may go up a little bit, then it will again come down. So about 289, it can go towards 300, 300, 350. That is where it will get some resistance. See, both of them are trying to take some support. So if it takes support, then above 352 is where actually Bank Nifty will get some buying. On the sell side, most of the targets are done here. So then it has to continuously become weaker, or else see these targets will get achieved. Probably it will take time. Today is not a day where it was like Friday. Friday you got within 10 minutes, big move came faster, right? Today may not be such kind of a day. Today it may actually come slowly and go down. And then if it is not going down much and it stays there, maybe in the second half we will get a good bounce also. So that is what I expect out of this market. Because as of now, we have actually, if you look at Nifty, it is a little above the sell level and it is going towards the buy level. Okay. So Nifty is trying to go towards the buy level. So it may actually give a bounce back. Okay. See, if it stays within this range of first target on the upside and downside, till it is not going to actually break any side, nothing is going to happen. See, it is trying to go up, but it is not having any strength there. So upside will be only people who have probably somebody who was shorted on Friday and all. Some of them may be actually booking their profits and moving out. I don't see any fresh buying coming here. So this buying does not have strength. Expect the selling to come, but I think here somewhere at the lower level, 225, 200, 225, somewhere here it should take some good support. And if that happens, in the second half, again some bounce will come. And on the bounce again, we can look at sell. So currently, though, it is actually sell only. Okay. Both of them are below our sell levels. Okay. If you look at Bank Nifty has done all our targets. Okay. Now, somehow, somewhere near yesterday's low, we have to be careful here. It may come now and test this yesterday's lows also, and it may take some support here. See, Bank Nifty has very good support around 43,000 levels. So if it doesn't go down much, then bounce back is quite possible. Or if it keeps doing similar things here, then probably there will be a bigger selling later in the second half. If it is not doing anything in the first half, then the second half you may see some selling coming in. Okay, Nifty again is getting some bounce. So you can see here it has gone above the buy level right now. Nifty has moved above the buy level. So it may go and do this target again. 307, it is possible. But here I think for us, buy side is going to be very risky. Don't try to look at buy side. Okay, again our Nifty is coming towards that sell side. Okay, it is in this particular range itself. You see here. So as I said, it is going to take time. It is not. It is better that we look at stock specific movements than getting into index. Okay, let's look at, is there any good stock which we can look? Let me see. Okay, see again, it has actually come above this. So it is possible to come towards this 300 level, and probably it will stay there for some time. It can do every such thing. So if it does, then actually the second half, there will be some big selling which will happen. So currently I'm not doing anything. It's not actually making sense because it is going down, up, won't make sense. Look at this again, it came going towards this 307, which is our first target. The next target comes somewhere around 343. If you see, it has again done the high of 307. And Bank Nifty is also trying to do it. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's see if there is any good stocks for us on the buy side. Okay, Balrampur Chini 400. Okay, let's look at this. Balrampur Chini. Looks like the stock is in a good moment. Let us see what is the open for this. Open is 400. Let's look at this 400. And what is the average trading price for this? Let's look at this. Around 7 rupees. So let's put this. See, buy is above 401, and the levels which we can look are this. So above 401 is, it should be looking at buy side only. And let's see. Let's look at what is happening here. I think it has already done a couple of targets. It has gone till 409. So that means it has done this almost around fourth target. Okay. See, sell will come only below for 391. That means actually there's no point in looking at sell side. Buy side again, if it comes somewhere here, somewhere in the second half, probably we can look at that. Some profit booking if it comes. Then till where it has come, till 405 it has come. Okay, let us see here. Somewhere here till the second target. Okay. See, the stock looks to be in momentum. We can take the trade, but let's see one second. Let me actually also look at this. Do we really have some great volumes, or it is just some momentum? Okay, if the high breaks, then we can see some movement. See, if the high breaks here, okay. See, if the high breaks here, whatever is the high, 408.9 something is there. If it breaks, it can go towards this. Okay, but since it has already moved up too much, you need to be fast in getting and getting out. Otherwise, there's no point in taking the trade. Okay, look at this. Nifty is above this It is again above the first target. So it may consolidate here. I don't expect any big movement to happen here unless there's something extraordinary there. See, 305 is 300 is a very strong support which was actually broken. So that is the reason it is trying to get some actually bounce here. But anyway, it is difficult for it to hold because we don't have much of a buy side here. Some amount of buy which has come is probably only some short covering. Whoever has shorted in the morning, they have been actually pushed out. That's all what has happened today. And today Bank Nifty is weak. Bank Nifty is clearly weak, and let's see. If any of you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to actually help you out. You can ask me any questions. And if you are interested in understanding about this calculator, I'll be actually, I have a lot of videos which are made. You can actually watch my playlist or the previous live trades and all. There you will actually be able to see all these things. Okay, all the details have been given. And for people who are missing out, you can see that in the first open itself, we get a lot of moves. And if you are a little late, then you will miss out. Either you can buy the calculator or you can actually be live here on time, because as soon as the pre-open opens, I will try my best to come as soon as possible. But sometimes here and there, it may get varied to a little extent. So today is, you should look at the sell side only, don't look at buy side, because 18,300 is very important level that has been broken with great volumes. Okay, that has been broken with great volumes on this Friday. Now this bounce back is actually, see, it may actually try to move towards this 18,340 also. 340, 343, that second target, it may try. Okay, but it may fail also. So if it now starts coming below 18,300, that is a place where you have a very good entry. Okay, 307 is our level, right? So if it starts, see, it has come here, but if it is failing to hold it, that itself is a weakness. But for us, the real weakness, you will see below this 281. Below 281 is 225 is our level. That is what you can probably see. Okay. Let's look at the option chain. What is happening in the option chain? Okay. So as I said, there was some over sold situation. So because of which we are seeing some kind of a bounce back there. So that's what we can see here. And let's see. So it is difficult for it to sustain, because see, that is a very important level. So now what is possible is, if it consolidates here, and then actually you can expect some big sharp moves which are going to come on the downside in the second half. That is quite possible. Let's look at what is happening in option chain for Bank Nifty also. This is also, this is not that oversold. So 43,200, somehow it is trying to hold, but it is not easy. So 43,000 is very important level. So 43,000 is where it will take some support. So if it goes below that also, it may again bounce back, because Bank Nifty has very strong support around 43,000 levels. So maybe around 100 to 100 points, it may go down, but it may again bounce back. So be careful, especially with Bank Nifty, if it is going down. See, the thing is, though Bank Nifty is actually down today, uh, it may take some support there. So, but if it fails, then Bank Nifty becomes more weaker. Okay. So, guys, I think I will close this thing because I think it will not give any sharp moves and all like what we saw in the previous days. Today is going to be more of a slow trading, but I don't expect a sharp bounce backs and all which are going to happen until it goes down. It has to, if any sharp bounce back has to happen, it will be somewhere around 18,000, 18,100, 150, somewhere in those levels. I don't expect at these levels sharp moves to come. See, it may actually consolidate between 18,300 to 330, 350 in this range. If it is actually staying in this range only, it is not doing much, then expect a selling which is going to come. Okay. So 18,300 is a very important GAN number also. So, and that is a support which has been giving for a very long time, and it has been able to break down that particular level. That is why it is very important. So if a bounce will come now, it is possible till the next target, which is 343. But if it is not able to do that, that means that it is already weak. So if you look at the today's range itself from 45, so it's almost some 60, 70 points on the up move is already done. Okay. So if you look at the range for Nifty, it is almost done. If you look from the buy side, if the strength has to come there, it has to see if it is only a bounce back and technical bounce back, then I don't see more strength there because it's already quite weak. It has already got quite an amount of good amount of selling. So this is just some amount of index management. That's all what is happening. And let's see what actually are the stocks because we had good amount of stocks on the okay. We have good amount of stocks on the upside. 34 stocks on the upside. That is the reason why Nifty is not actually coming down easily. Okay. Nifty is not coming down because of this only. So if this is holding, then probably 343 is quite possible. 343 is quite possible. And later only you will see the selling and all which is going to come is going to happen only after that. So currently the buy is only happening in case of Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, we are on the sell side. If you look at both the things, let's see how this is going to continue. If it is going to continue like this and it is failing, see this slowly this advanced decline starts coming down, then actually expects that the selling to intensify in the second half. So today, as I said, it is going to be very slow movements, nothing big which is going to happen here. Even now, if you see it gave bounce, it is not able to hold. That's why I'm saying buy side is quite riskier. See, buy side, if it has to be done only at the lower levels, we can actually do it. Where actually it came in the morning, right? That is where it has some amount of what do you say? Some amount of strength is quite possible there. Maybe if it breaks this 18,300, 200 kind of a level, 150 to 200, that is where it may take some support. But let's see. For me, I am actually making a move right now. See, the bounce back came again, it failed, and we are seeing something like a inverted hammer or a shooting star, what you say. So that is not good. So if this is happening now, the next candle, if it starts again going down, that means actually it is going to break this down. Okay. So I'm only looking at the short side. I'm not going to look at the long side. Long side, probably we can look in the second half if we stay here for maybe 1 or 2 hours, somewhere around the 43,000 level for the bank Nifty, and for maybe or it will break that 43,000. It will go towards 42,900, 800. It needs to hold there for at least 1 or 2 hours. Then only I'll be looking at buy side, otherwise no buy. Okay, you can see again the selling has come. So it is support, if at all it has to come, it is only around 18,150, 200 levels. That is where you have some amount of bonds. See, it is sell on every rise. Market is sell on every rise. You get a rise, then again, you need to look at that as an opportunity to sell only. Okay. So you have any questions, you can just actually leave here. People who are missing out on these trades and all, you can actually subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to get the notification as soon as I go live. So that is going to help you out. And please understand, this is purely for educational purposes and how the Gann square of 9 works. This is not an advisory service. I am not a SEBI registered advisor and I am not giving you any financial advice. If you want to take any trade, you are doing this at your own discretion, at your own risk. You need to understand that, and please manage your position sizing. Don't actually take unnecessarily too huge position sizing, and you will get into stronger challenges. So have position sizing as small as possible. So I'll be coming out with a separate video with the back testing, what I have done and how the results are, and that you will be fascinated by the kind of results it has been giving. Okay, let it start coming below this 281, sustain below that, then actually again the sell will come. That is the place where I'll be looking at the sell trade. So if you have any questions, anything to ask, you can just shoot in. You can just put that in the comment here. I'll be more than happy to actually assist you and guide you here. If you know that, then actually again the sell will come. That is the place where I'll be looking at the sell. Sorry, one second. Ravi Kumar, you have mentioned something. One second. Intraday के लिए स्पोनर, इंट्राडे के लिए कौन सा स्कैनर, किसके लिए? स्टॉक्स के लिए क्या? स्टॉक्स के लिए आप क्या यूज कर सकते हो? आप यूज कर सकते हो जो भी स्टॉक्स एटलीस्ट 1 or 2% अप है या डाउन है, दैट इज समथिंग यू कैन लुक एट. आप टॉप गेनर्स, टॉप लूजर्स ये भी यूज कर सकते हो. आप यहाँ पर ये जो निफ्टी का टॉप गेनर्स है और टॉप सेलर्स है, you can use this also, but preferably at least 2% plus. 2% से ज्यादा होगा तो momentum होगा. If our calculator has to work, it has to be where there is a momentum. Momentum है तो बहुत अच्छा पैसा मिलेगा आपको. Momentum नहीं है तो कहीं पर भी पैसा नहीं बनता है. तो यहाँ पर देखिए momentum आज नहीं है. Momentum बनेगा only below those levels. देखो, market is supposed to be on the sell side, but what is happening is there are a lot of stocks which are on the upside. So since these stocks are on the upside, it is not allowing the market to come down. Okay, so since this is happening, it may, if it is actually holding on to this, maybe you will get a good move only at a later stage. You will not get the good move right now. Okay. Bank Nifty has been giving some moves. If you look at this, that's why you have to look at where the momentum is. I said Nifty is not having that momentum yet. Bank Nifty clearly has that momentum. And Bank Nifty can take, see, it may become laggard here after this. If it goes to this yesterday's low, it may become laggard, or if it is getting some big selling. I don't see that big selling coming anywhere. And here some buying has come, so people are going to get trapped. I think a bigger momentum can come in Nifty only. Nifty में ही momentum आ सकता है because buyers को फिर से trap कर रहे हैं. Buyers are again trapped. See, people came to sell, market went up, so a lot of people have now again started going long, and that is where they are going to get stuck. If the market comes down, then actually all of them are going to get their prices wiped off, because here buying doesn't make sense. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा, इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. देखिए बार बार एक्चुअली 307 पर आ रहा है, बट वहीं पर बार बार रेजिस्टेंस भी आ रहा है. Okay, Prakash ji, what are you saying? Prakash ji, don't use the options. Currently use only the index wise. Index wise, if you see, it is, according to me today, it is more range bound kind of a trade. I don't expect any big movements to happen. Okay. See, 18,300 is very strong, important level that was breached with volumes. So now, see, if you see again, it has gone higher. And again, it may try to go towards this 340 levels. It is possible, but will it happen or not? We don't know. But if you look at this, see again and again, what it's happening is it is trying to hit all the stop losses. If you look at this, it has gone up, again come down, gone up, again come down, gone up, come down. So what is happening is purely stop loss hunts are happening, especially in Nifty. If you look at Bank Nifty is relatively okay, but again, Bank Nifty is at a very strong, important support. So according to what I see here, preferably right now, don't do anything. Right now, entry either on the buy side or on the sell side is not going to make any sense. So maybe after maybe 10:30, 11, if it is failing to hold the levels and slowly these advanced declines are coming down, then actually sell will come. So this may happen probably in the second half only, because right now there is nothing which is happening, and advanced declines, a broader market, everything is little positive side. So I don't expect that the market is going to come down easily. So today momentum is clearly lagging. So since there is no momentum, option sellers can make money, option buyers to make money, momentum has to come. Momentum is not there. A little bit momentum was there in Bank Nifty, it has done all the targets. So since it has done all the targets, some bounce back is quite possible. It may come back towards this 343 levels, 350, 340, these levels, it may come back and retest. If it retests this and again it starts coming down, again it may come back towards these levels. So that is something which you can wait for some bounce, and there you can look at taking any trade. Here, if you take a trade, see, you have to understand these are your stop losses. As of now, Bank Nifty is still showing you the sell side only, because it is below this 43,343. Okay, so this is clearly on the sell side. And if you look at Nifty, it is clearly on the buy side. It has done this 307 was our target, right? 307 target has been done thrice if you see here. It has come to this level, again it has gone up, again came down, again gone up, again come down, again gone up. So it has done this level, it is again and again getting stuck at these levels. According to me, below 300 is sell only. Okay. Above 300 holding is very important for it, because this level has been breached with great volumes on this Friday. So from that perspective, see, some amount of short covering is possible, which we call as stop loss hunts, and that is what you are seeing right now happening. It's quite possible there. And after the stop loss hunt happen, then again the sell only is going to start. So currently entry is not going to make any sense. We should actually wait. Bounce backs are possible, and now Bank Nifty may also give some bounce. If you look at it, has taken a good amount of support in the lower end. So if Bank Nifty gives some bounce, Nifty is already in the buy side. Nifty is likely to go towards this 18,340 levels, 340, 343. That is the next target, right? It may go towards that. But again, it is small targets. Nothing big is happening. And this is happening only because of short covering and only because of the stop loss hunt. So if you look at Nifty from the lower side around 44, right? So it has already done 80 points. 80 points has been done on the upside. Okay. So don't expect any extraordinary thing. Maybe till 18,350 it can go maximum. 343 is our target, right? Maybe it can go till there. 43, 50, it is possible. And Bank Nifty again is coming, as I said, it is coming towards this 343, 352, this level. Now, if it both of them actually is going to consolidate here, fails to go higher after that, that is where the selling is going to get started. Look at the bonds. Okay, Bank Nifty is almost towards the second target. Nifty is almost towards the second target. Well, let's look at what is happening with Balrampur Chini, as I said. Okay, if you see here, I told you above this only buy will come. That has not happened. And sell will be below that 391, right? Okay, it has come back towards the 402. Okay, this is nearby to our buy price. So let us wait here somewhere. If it actually starts again, maybe consolidating and all, it may, if it starts actually holding on here, 401 is our buy price. That is what actually our calculator is talking about, 401. So, but it needs to actually hold here, maybe at least half an hour it has to hold here. That will be a place where, look at this 401, and there we can look at this again, trying to go back. Okay. It needs to get some support here. Okay, look at this. Both of them have given a phenomenal bounce back. It's almost doing our next target, which is 343. So hardly another 2-3 points which are there. But suppose it doesn't do this and starts coming down below 307, that is already giving you a hint that it is actually failing at this. See, if you look at this now, 40, almost 100 points we are done. So if you look at the range for today, almost 100 points is done for Nifty. So if 100 points is done, and let's see if there is any bigger buying. Okay, some amount of buying is definitely there, but this is not something extraordinary big. So they have just hunted all the stop losses. See, weakness is going to be only below 18,307 now. It has to start going below 300. That is where again it will get some weakness. Otherwise, no weakness. If you see, it is actually having some challenge here. It went till that, and now it is having challenge. And if you see, this levels has come with the GAN number. And look at that, exactly at those levels. Look at the resistance levels which are there here. So these are the natural numbers and how powerful they are. Okay, it has done the next target also. 343 is done. Okay, I don't expect it to go much beyond this. It has already done our targets, and beyond this is difficult for it to go. Okay, look at this. Bank Nifty has again bounced back towards the day high. Okay, now maybe in the next 1 or 2 hours, if it stays in this range, does not make new highs, that is where again the selling will start. So you have this again an opportunity to look at the sell side. But it has to start trading below this 343. It has to start trading below 343. Okay, let's look at what is the kind of volume which has come. Not big, not big. So these are purely what do you say, the stop loss hunt moves which have happened. Okay, guys, I think I have already shared you all the levels. You have any questions to ask, you can just put it here. If there's no question, I think I will actually move out of this live trade. Okay, see you then. Catch up with you tomorrow. Bye bye.